I feel confident that if I was on the side of the road and I had to do this, I'd be able to do it. If I had enough light, you know, by myself, I'd be able to do this. Trick is not using too much heat. Make sure you use enough flux and don't burn your fan shroud. All right, I'm good with that. Like I said, it's ugly, but it's effective. Oh, man. Yeah. I'll clean this up a little bit. Alright, so that right there is how solder should flow, you know. Should look a whole lot better than that. Shouldn't be globbed up right there. Damn. Yeah, I hate having a mess like that, but I think I'm gonna let it ride. Actually, no, I'm not. I lied. All right, now that looks a little bit better. That's a lot better. Yeah, so that spot right there, that's how it should look all the way around, you know. If this radiator was out and I cleaned it off a little bit better, had a flat spot to work on, that's how it would look all the way around. Wouldn't be globbed up right here, right there, you know. But I think I'm gonna call that good. You know, saved 400 bucks. I spent probably, I don't know, maybe 70 on this. You know, I like it because it has a trigger on it, and you can control the flow. You don't have to have a separate striker. Spent, you know, 30 bucks on flux because I bought the wrong kind at first, so it would have been 15 bucks, and then maybe another 15 on solder. So I'd say all together spent maybe 100 bucks. And I've got, you know, of course I can use this for other things now. I thought I had one already, but I couldn't find it, so I went ahead and just bought another one. So radiator is fixed. Next thing is just to fill it with coolant, check it for leaks, start it. But I need to finish building my battery cables, which I'll do that when my 90-degree connector comes in, hopefully this weekend. All right, that's it.